My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Abdul Latif, matric number 280213. My project title is Masjid Al-A'la Prayer Multimedia System. Azan is one of the religious shi'ars of Islam which aims to inform that the time has come for obligatory prayers. In Masjid Al-A'la Jitra, there is a screen that shows many useful things including the azan, so people know when to pray. The mosque has been using the same azan system from Kedah Islamic Religious Council Masjid for a long time, but now they want to upgrade it and add new features. This project will bring positive changes to Masjid Al-A'la. Next, I will continue with the problem statement. The prayer time multimedia system at Masjid Al-A'la is developed by the Kedah Islamic Religious Council Masjid team, as mentioned before, limiting improvements as any issues must be directed to them. Additionally, the multimedia system only displays the same picture and video daily, leading to decreased interest from most attendees who might prefer more diverse content for discussions, ideas, and questions. There are three objectives of this system, which are to identify new features for Masjid Al-A'la Prayer Multimedia System, to develop the prototype of Masjid Al-A'la Prayer Multimedia System, and lastly to evaluate the usability of Masjid Al-A'la Prayer Multimedia System. Next is the methodology of the system. The development of this system used the agile methodology including planning, design, develop, test, release, and feedback. This project greatly increased the quality of the system with proper application of the agile software development process. Any errors, feature modifications, or other upkeep activities are put to the product backlog. Next is findings. For findings, we have layout and design, function and content, and lastly user satisfaction. For layout and design, overall the results indicate that most respondents are satisfied with the website's layout and design. Next, we have function and content. For function and content, overall the results suggest that the respondents were happy with how the system's function and content work, especially the button. Lastly, we have user satisfaction. So based on the bar chart, a large percentage of respondents expressed contentment with its performance, which means the website met their expectations and provided a good experience. Lastly is the contribution to society. This project brings forth significant benefits and contributions to the Masjid Al-A'la community by reducing their dependence on Masjid for system management. The system can be utilized independently by the mosque, allowing for enhanced control and autonomy. Moreover, the system provides the convenience of displaying prayer times on the Masjid Al-A'la TV screen continuously, enabling worshippers and visitors to easily access this crucial information. Next, I will continue with the project demo. So after you get into the system, you can see the main interface. So in order for the admin to do any modification, the admin need to click on the setting icon on the top right. After the admin click on the setting icon, the system will bring the admin into the login page. After the admin click on the login button, the system will bring into the settings page where we can see here on the sidebar we have Masjid, Azan dan Iqamah, text and slide. So for Masjid, we have the maklumat Masjid that consists of nama Masjid, alamat, rujukan azan, which is the details of the mosque, prayer time reference, the longitude, latitude, and the time zone for the location. Next, we have Azan dan Iqamah, where the admin can modify the Azan duration and the Iqamah duration. Next, we have text. For text, the admin can modify the text moving speed and also the text itself. Lastly, we have slide modification, where the admin can modify the duration of the slides changing, add more slides, edit slide, and delete slide. So for edit and add slide, it's just the same, where admin need to enter the picture, the title, and the content, and then after finish filling all the details, the admin can click on the simpan button, which is save button, or batal to cancel. It's the same for edit. Lastly, the admin also can delete the slide by clicking on the delete button. The system will pop up, are you sure you want to delete, and then the admin can click on yes. So lastly, we have the logout button and the simpan button, which is save button. So in order to log out from the system, the admin can click on the logout button, and the simpan button is to save all of the modification. That's all for project demo.
Okay, Aisyah, how you handle user feedbacks and suggestions for improve after your system is successfully implemented?
So to answer that question, I'll read through all the feedback regularly and figure out the most important things to work on. Then I'll ask the experts on our team to help decide which improvements to make first. We'll try to change things step by step so it's not too confusing. Once we make changes, I'll tell everyone about it and ask if it's better for them. I'll keep doing this again and again, making sure we're always trying to make the system better based on what users say. This way we can keep improving and making the system more useful for everyone. I hope this answers your question.